Welcome to all of you. Topic of my discussion is avoiding investment mistakes. In the month of March 2020, equity markets went down due to coronavirus problem and portfolio value eroded all of a sudden. And people started to cut their equity position and shift into debt mutual funds or FDs. This was the horrible idea. In the next month, April 2020, equity market bounced back approximately 30% up from March lows. So, there was no reason to go up and down substantially. Sometimes market behaves irrational in short term. Now again Nifty back to 10,000 plus levels in June 2020. If we will build our portfolio according to herd mentality, we will be guided in wrong direction. So, what is the solution of this problem? Asset allocation is the only solution of this problem. Means we have to keep different buckets for short term and long term goals. There is no other way. It's very difficult to predict the events in advance. There will be always problem if we have disconnect between short term and long term goals. If it's okay, then all the time you will enjoy market movements. Apart from this, you have to manage your behavior towards your investment. Due to behavior gap, investor returns may be less in comparison of investment returns. This is all about due to behavior gap. Every asset class goes through cycles, whether we like it or not. Look at gold, property, equity, or any other asset class. Real challenges with equity market is that this asset class trades on real time basis. Every day you can track the movement of your portfolio. That's why there is good chance of falling emotional trap. It's not that we are dumb. We are wired to avoid pain and pursue pleasure and security. It feels right to sell when everyone around us is scared and buy when everyone feels great. It may feel right, but it is not rational. When other physical assets goes down like gold and real estate, we never starts cutting position and convert into FDs. Why we behave like a stepmother with equity as an asset class? This is again due to behavior gap and emotional trap. In every cycle, we play wrong due to fear factor and forget the quote of investment guru Warren Buffett. Be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. If you want to buy something cheap, value will go down certainly because good time and good valuations don't come together. Morning walk is good for health, everyone knows it, but how many practice it? Because late sleeping gives us pleasure. It means not like जो फैसला आपको सुकून दे जरूरी नहीं वो सही हो. If we talk for 10 years investment and conclude the result in short term when market goes through tough times. This is all about our way of looking. Glass is half full or glass is half empty. Every equity investor comes in the market with a lot of expectations and wants to see his portfolio in the green tick all the time. Market cannot oblige to every trader and investor all the time. We have to align ourselves according to market mood. Market will not align. Broadly, there is no problem in any asset class if we have done our right asset allocation. All businesses cannot die permanently, what everyone feels to start in tough times. This is temporary problem like any other problems, but every time we think this time is different, cause of problems will be different every time, but up and downs will be common. So finally, avoid the tendency to buy high and sell low. Avoid the pitfalls of generic financial advice. Invest all your assets, time and energy, as well as savings more wisely. Quit spending money and time on things that don't matter. Identify your real financial goals. Start meaningful conversation about money. Simplify your financial life. Stop losing money. Thanks.